Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy, and we are running through a post-project video right here. This is happening more and more lately, where homes are getting under contract and the buyers are using a FHA loan product, and an appraiser is coming out and saying you need to do all these repairs to meet conditions to close. And so it's kind of a surprise for buyers and sellers. FHA is a great loan. As long as you have somebody like Handy Andy that can do these repairs and get paid at closing, it's still a win-win for everybody. So in here, the inspector cited that all the paint in here on the carport was peeling up. There was a patch of drywall. It's fresh, so I can't walk across it. The inspector in here is an old outside laundry. There was a hole in the drywall up in the ceiling. The boys fixed that. Someone had walked across and cracked it. We fixed that. On this side of the house over here, the cable lines were down in this area right here, so we strung those back up. This downspout was off, the elbow was off, and the corrugated pipe that runs through here was clogged, so we replaced it. The old one is still there. You can see it laying underneath. We just ran a new piece out to the front. We really don't like to use corrugated pipes underground at all because they're going to clog. You're going to have trouble with them. So we try to use 4-inch PVC, which the buyer has a slight issue over here. It didn't come up as a required repair right now, but we unclogged it for right now. But we really need to come back at some point for this seller and run 4-inch drain pipe along this edge, and it'll drain. You can see we're up on a hill. So this house shouldn't have any drainage issues whatsoever. And it's simple stuff. Like the guys came through, you can see this is totally clogged right here. This corrugated pipe that you see coming out right here, right there, is connected to this downspout here. And all is compacted and full. And so in the heavy rains, the water's been dropping against the side of the house right in here. We would come back. We've broken this free for right now. Just took this off, but you can see where it's all crushed. Don't ever use these extenders. You can get them at Home Depot. People use them. They just cause trouble. Not worth having. My guys cleaned all the gutters, so she's good to go there. There was some aluminum fascia up through this line right here that was all falling off, so they resecured all that. They did a few repairs inside the house, which I'm not going to be able to get. They added this handrail right here, this piece. We didn't choose this color. This color was already here. It was all peeling, so they had to scrape and sand it and repaint it. This deck should have been stained, but it was painted instead. Had to add some balusters. The boys also came through here, painted these windows, scraped, puttied, painted. And then it wasn't on the list, but they went ahead and repainted this back door down here. And that pretty much was it. This area right here had a huge stump that they chopped it up and then filled it over, so that hole is filled now. So pretty much got to everything the appraiser was asking for. A great house for a family. But if you're a homeowner and agent, don't get frustrated in these situations. Just call the right people to get it done. And we did this one on time for closing, so they are good to go, and we'll see you at the next house. Bye for now.